Hello family, and welcome back to our wild Ohio. Today, I wanted to share 7 free camping hotspots in Ohio. And please let us know in the comments, what are some of your favorite camping places? Or if you have a question, or just want to say hello, we'd love to hear from you. Unknown to many campers, Ohio is actually home to a lot of free camping areas. Most of the dispersed camping areas are located in the state forests near the eastern and southern borders. They are generally less than 2 hours drive away from cities such as Cleveland, Columbus, and Cincinnati. Due to their proximity to civilization, they are extremely popular, especially during the summer and fall, for a short getaway with the family and kids, or just a few buddies. Number 7. Muskingum River State Park. One of the nation's most unique state parks, the Muskingum River State Park, also known as Muskingum River Parkway State Park, is a unique park system in Ohio, known for its historical significance and recreational opportunities. The Muskingum River Parkway State Park is on the National Register of Historic Places and is recognized as the Muskingum River Navigation Historic District. In its day, the system of locks and dams helped open the state and the entire Midwest to trade and development. It is the only remaining system of hand-operated locks in the nation. The locks help boats safely bypass 10 dams on the Muskingum River from Zanesville south to the Ohio River at Marietta. These locks are operated at no charge for recreational boats. 10 of the 11 locks still function. The northernmost lock, Ellis Lock 11, is no longer in operation but offers a campground. The remaining locks have a variety of amenities, and many communities along the Muskingum River offer recreational and sightseeing opportunities for boaters and non-boaters alike. Visitors may enjoy watching the river from the park's picnic shelter south of Lock 7. Number 6. Wayne National Forest. Also known as the Wayne, there are 9 campgrounds within the forest that spans more than 240,000 acres in southeastern Ohio. As the state's only national forest, it's a great destination for Ohioans and visitors who want to spend time in the great outdoors. Located in the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains, Wayne National Forest features rolling hills, lakes, streams, and, of course, forests. This landscape means that the Wayne offers an abundance of things to see and do, including hiking, biking, horseback riding, hunting, historic sites, boating, fishing, and so much more. Wayne National Forest is home to wildlife, including beavers, otters, wild turkeys, deer, foxes, and more. If you're lucky, you may be able to spot some of these animals during your trip. If you visit the forest, you'll probably notice that the vast area is fragmented with 3 separate units across towns and counties. Roads pass through the area, too, making much of it easily accessible. Camping is a great way to immerse yourself in the national forest, giving yourself plenty of time to explore the area and enjoy the natural landscape. If you're planning a Wayne National Forest camping trip, here's everything you need to know. Wayne National Forest offers various camping options, so there's something for almost everyone. Whether you prefer backpacking, camping in an RV, or need to accommodate a large group, the Wayne has you covered. Number 5. Hidden Hollow Campground, Fernwood State Forest. Hidden Hollow Campground in northeastern Ohio is often referred to as a hidden gem by those in the know. The campground does have paved tent pads, but it's generally rustic. The 22 sites here only have vault toilets, fire rings, and picnic tables. There are also plenty of garbage bins available, so you don't need to pack out your waste. The region is part of the 3,023-acre Fernwood State Forest. It was once strip mined for coal, and has since been reclaimed by the state. There is a 14-day limit on free camping in this area. Number 4. Ronsheim Campground, Harrison State Forest. The tiny Ronsheim Campground in Harrison State Forest has just 7 paved sites. So if you are after some privacy and solitude during your camping trip, this area is ideal. There is a tiny lake nearby with a walking trail that ends at it. Everything else is basic and what you'd expect from a primitive camping site. As a bonus, there's some huge fish in that tiny lake, so don't let it fool you. The beautiful terrain of the region is complemented by its hilly nature, which makes it an excellent location for some solitude. There are also several horseback riding routes that are popular among day hikers. Number 3. Bicentennial Campground, AEP Recreation Land. This is a fantastic location if you want to enjoy a peaceful solitude by a lake. The Bicentennial Campground is located near Caldwell in southeast Ohio, making it an excellent spot for a weekend camping trip. For hikers, it's also a starting point of the Buckeye Trail, which leads to spectacular hikes whichever direction you head into. However, don't stray too far away from the route, as the entire trail covers a distance of 1,400 miles. The only facilities at this campground are benches, fire rings, vaulted toilets, and garbage bins. American Electric Power Recreational Lands, also known as AEP. They have the largest and one of the most diverse outdoor recreation areas in Ohio. The sites are all primitive and usually come with vaulted toilets and hand water pumps. While free, you will need to apply for a permit to camp here. Some of the popular ones include Bicentennial Campground, Woodgrove Campground, Sawmill Campground outside of the small town of Cumberland. Number 2. Trail Riders Campground, Harrison State Forest. This amazing place is for my horse people. Looking for a place to camp with your unique companion? Well, look no further. Trail Riders Campground is your spot. You'll have access to 20 miles of horse and hiking trails, plus all the other outdoorsy amazingness Harrison State Forest has to offer. Maybe you're horseless? Well, there are tons of other fun stuff to do here. This will be a great place for you and your peeps to post up. It's a great spot for you to fulfill your target shooting dreams, hike the day away, and fish till your heart's content. Whatever your reason for staying here, be prepared to provide your own drinking water. The 20 primitive camping sites at Trail Riders Campground are located in a beautiful and secluded part of the Harrison State Forest. They're paved and well kept, to say the least. Furthermore, the campground has a peaceful atmosphere for those looking for a relaxing camping trip. The campground sits on a grassy surface that is ideal to pitch your tent. Number 1. Hook Lake Campground, Jesse Owens State Park, which opened in July 2016, is located at State Route 83 in McConnellsville, Ohio. Hook Lake is Ohio's newest state park. This is one of the best free camping locations in the state, and I'm speaking from experience. As a matter of fact, we have a whole episode about Snoop's first camping trip, and it was at Hook Lake. It really is one of my favorite places on earth. It is open from April 1st to mid-December, with the majority of campers coming here during the summer and fall. Each site is quite basic: picnic tables, fire rings, and garbage bins. There are 2 fishing ponds, wooden pavilions, and an archery range, as well as some great hiking trails. McConnellsville which is only a 20-minute drive away, offers shopping opportunities as well as buzzing businesses, restaurants, and a brew pub to explore. The campground is designed for tent and trailer camping, with no water, electricity, or flush toilets available. Each site includes a picnic table and fire ring.
That bacon smell good? Does that smell good? Huh? Yeah. Ooh, hot potatoes and onions. Oh, Snooper.
Multiple latrines are provided for camper convenience. The campground features euthanized fishing ponds, making it a great spot for families with children. Campers must follow a self-registration process upon entering the campground. Sites are available on a first-come, first-served basis, with a maximum stay of 2 weeks. Hook Lake is situated at the east end of Jesse Owens State Park, providing easy access to various recreational activities, including fishing, hiking, and wildlife viewing. The campground is surrounded by scenic landscapes, making it an ideal spot for nature lovers. Nearby attractions like Miners Memorial Park, located near the campground. This park features the Big Muskie Bucket, a monument to the mining history of the area. The Wilds are also nearby, and they are a conservation center nearby that offers outdoor safaris and ziplining experiences. Reviews from campers highlight the campground's family-friendly atmosphere, with ample space for children to play and a peaceful environment. However, some visitors note that cell phone reception can be limited, and it's advisable to bring your own firewood as it is not provided. This campground is perfect for those looking to disconnect from technology and enjoy the beauty of nature while camping for free. Things to know about free camping in Ohio. Free campsites don't require reservations, as on public lands, state parks, or national forests. In some locations, there is a small donation box where you can make contributions to help the park rangers maintain the area. Pitch your tent at a designated area, or on areas where it has been used before to minimize the environmental impact. Maximum stay is 14 days within a 30-day period. Don't expect campground to have showers, toilets, tables, benches, or fire rings. Bring everything you need with you. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And hit that like button, and also subscribe so you don't miss out on the exciting upcoming surprises we have planned for our subscribers. Head on over to the Our Wild Ohio website and put in your email address and sign up for the newsletter so we can keep you up to date on everything we have planned. You can also find us on Instagram, TikTok, and X now. And until we meet again, stay wild, my friends. Thank you for watching Our Wild Ohio. It's support from viewers like you who make it all possible. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Join our family and become a member of Our Wild Ohio by visiting the link in the description below. And until we meet again, stay wild, my friends.